ma'am now. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. So, have you done homework? I've saw many of you wrote story and videos. Beautiful videos are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Beautiful. Vaidehi Dange. Excellent video of yoga. Yes, na ma'am.
Can anyone? Okay, today we will learn Dhruvasana. Okay, I will ask someone question. Ma'am, please unmute them.
Okay, you tell me the name. I'll unmute that child.
Okay, raise the hand. Those who knows the answer. Dhruv, how many years he did tapasya? Can anyone tell? Vaidhi knows.
So we'll give Vaidehi. Yes, ma'am.
Yaduraj. Yaduraj.
Yaduraj.
Mute.
Okay. Yaduraj, you are unmute now.
5 to 6 years.
No. Yes, Vaidhi.
Who? Vaidehi.
Vaidhi, yes, Vaidhi.
Excellent video, Vaidehi. Vaidehi is unmute now. Vaidehi.
1 year. For 1 year.
Yes, for 1 year.
Yes, very good, girl.
Very good.
Great.
Thank you.
Now we will learn Dhruvasana. Okay, everyone are ready? And before that, we'll learn some exercise. And animal asanas was so beautiful, very nicely. So tomorrow also we will do funny exercise. Okay?
Sanvi. Beautiful.
Yes.
Asanas, animal asanas.
Tomorrow also we will do funny exercise with your parents. Okay?
Yes.
Are you ready with your parents to do yoga?
Okay.
Will you do your?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you should tell parents tomorrow to join.
Join you.
Okay.
Yoga session. Okay. Any one parent also will do. Both parents will be happy, and with grandparents will be more happy. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. My voice is audible?
Yes.
Okay. We will start with yoga. Sit in Padmasana. Everyone sit in Padmasana. Keep both hands on your knees. Breathe in, take your head up. Breathe out, bend forward. And from right side, start rotating. Continue the rotation. And relax. Now take your both hands side to your body. Breathe in, take your both hands up. Stretch your both hands up. Stretch it more. Stretch it more. Slowly come down. Make right hand face. Catch your right hand back. Breathe in, take your head out. Bend forward. Touch your head to the ground. And you may leave Padmasana. Spread your both legs. Both hands will be back. You will lift your whole body up. Lift your whole body up slowly and head back. Hold the position. Keep breathing. And relax. Now everyone lie down on your back in Shavasana. Now we will do crunches. When with a count. When I will give a count 1, you should get up, touch your toes with your hands and again lie down. In this, your knees will be straight. Okay? 1. Touch your toes and lie down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last 20. And relax. Relax your body. Both hands side to the body. Continue breathing. Slowly bend your both knees. Take your both legs up and start cycling. Continue the cycling. Fast, fast, fast. Reverse. And relax. Now take your both hands back of your head and you should bend your right leg and touch your elbows to the right knee. And again this right leg will go straight and left leg will be bent. And continue opposite. This is very good for your stomach. And relax. Relax completely. Now we will do Sarvangasana shoulder stand. First of all, you should take your both legs up and then slowly try to straight up your legs, whole leg. For keeping your legs straight, push your back slowly. Push it. Hold the position. Very beautiful all are doing. This is very good for your brain. And slowly bend your knees and come down. Again we will do, but when you will go up, you should fold your legs. When you will take your legs up, you should fold your legs. Take your both legs up. Try to straighten your body and then you can fold your legs. Hold the position. Now you can do Namaskar position. And slowly come down. Relax. Now, both hands side to the body. Chin is touching to the ground.
Network is low. Just a minute, kids. We'll get her in. What happened? Kids, continue with the same exercise.